Hi guys, it's the Batch Lady. This is a 2-minute video only to tell you all about what I've just been doing this very minute, which is batch cooking fish cakes. Now, I want to talk to you about giving the gift of a meal this Christmas. Okay, we're all talking about, cutting back on giving those unwanted gifts, and instead trying to give something that's maybe plastic free, that's thoughtful, that you think is going to be used, and that doesn't cost a great deal of money. I've been batching up fish cakes for the family and I've got plenty. So I've put 2 fish cakes in this dish, and I'm going to get my kids to do the labels saying what it is, how to cook it, in big writing, and put lots of lovely sort of Christmassy things over the top. We're going to keep them in the freezer and save them up, gift wrap them in a nice little bow, and give someone the gift of a few meals this Christmas. Something that I know I would love. If somebody came to my door and said, here's a curry and you don't need to cook for tonight, how lovely would that be? We all love getting a gift like that. If you've got someone that's just had a new baby, or somebody that's a carer or anything like that, why not think about giving the gift of some nice, lovely home-cooked meals for anybody that you know that might appreciate them, and save some waste this Christmas. Thanks guys, bye.